Okay, so we're back in the tutorial and we're gonna talk about union type and interface. Yeah, let's just start it. So we already learned union types that you can combine two types like string and numbers. Same on interface. So by accessing the variable, you can do that too. You know what? Like I explain union like 3. I think you know what, let's make on interface too the union. It's possible to do that. Let's just start it. So interface, call the interface like that, and let's say run option. And what we're gonna do is like program, not that, it's string. So command line. So we want this a string, array and string. So we're gonna use the pipeline. We want this to be string and string array. So string and pipeline, and this thing's going weird to right, so just watch this. Like that, not here. It's like this. And you're gonna do is arrow function string. That's how we're gonna do it. So we want to be a string and string array. Yeah, weird way to do this. Just see this how it works. So bar, we want an option. We're gonna implement this with I run option, and we want to be running a program with dot, let's say test1, comma, the command line. So what we're gonna pass this one is a string. We don't, so string test like that. Okay, this is our first test on test1 and string test on. Okay, so we're gonna access this by console.log and option, so command line like that. So on this one, this is a command line string. So we're gonna do the next one is command line as a string array, and lastly command line as a function expression, like expression like this. So what we're gonna do is copy this. Okay, you know what, let's just run this one more time, and if there's no error, 02 like interface.ts. Okay, string test. Okay, we passed the string, so we're gonna do the array. Okay, so copy this one. So we're gonna pass array, delete this thing, this one, and pass it with like hello and comma and world, let's say like gcc run, like something world like that, like g plus plus hello world dot cpp, like something like that. It should be work right. Okay, so something like that. We pass the array, and what about function expression? So we're gonna do the function expression. How we're gonna do that? And yeah, so if you see this string, so array, string, and a function, so that's the tree. Okay, so you're confused on this one, so using union type. Man, I'm lazy to type this. Using union type with string, array, comma, and function expression, something like that. And in order to do this to work, just copy this, and on this one, so we want a function expression. So we want to do is do this, and we're gonna like our function. Okay, wait, like that, and return, let's say blah blah blah. This is, so the program is running, like that. And yeah, hacking the program, so something like stupid like that. Okay, so we're gonna pull this off, run that. Because I got an error on this one, command line. Okay, so I get this one. Should remember what type of error. Expect brace get some arrow. Okay, so if you're tackling new technology, you should remember what type of error, because no one's gonna teach you this. You should be aware what type of error. Okay, so it's good practice to see what's the error. You see this expected brace get some arrow. You know that's on this one before the arrow function. Yeah, it's same on different language. If you're gonna tackle this, and what's there? Okay, I'm gonna search it. I don't know what's the answer. What's going on? Okay, TypeScript's a shit language. That's bullshit. Okay, should see the error first, and if you don't know the answer, go to the Stack Overflow. Some nerd gonna fix that shit. And yeah, let's run this thing. Yeah, it worked. Function command line.